Alright, so I promised you I would show you like how I do these locks. These are just a couple that I bought over at Kmart actually out here. You can see they do work. You know, Keith and I have this other guy right here. A little bit more of a challenge. But basically this is just to show you how easy these are to actually pick. Papa Chin! Okay, so I put my tension wrench in like this. Just like that. I'm gonna take my pick. I'm just gonna, you can see within like 10 seconds. Now this guy here is actually another master lock. Really easy. You'll see I don't even need to, I can just put this piece of metal in here and just twist and it pops open. This one's a little bit more of a challenge. Me and Dave actually bought this and we configured it a little differently, so there's some security pins in here. So I'm just gonna put some tension. Let's see if I can do this time. I can never get it when the camera's on me. So I'm just gonna get that spool and then it's hard to do this on camera. You hear the little clicks. This might be clicks are good. It's really, really hard to hold it this way. See, it's digging into my hand. Come on, baby. Just reset this. I'm bending my pick too. I could do this when I'm on the couch, really easy, but so I'm just going to reset it and try again here. There we go. Got it. I'd get it eventually. So that's how we pick a lock, John. Papa John! There are a lot of other ones that we're practicing with too, but finally.